PINGLE FB Series qualification packing machine. The discharge barrier of back clamping part is made of 304 stainless steel material, has an elegant appearance. The touchscreen has English-Chinese interface, easy to understand and operate. Up-down back shacking structure is adopted to reduce labor intensity and improve accuracy. Frequency converter control feeding, accurate and efficient. Air suction system can be equipped clean and sanitary. Data transfer interface is reserved, connectable with printer or control computer. In order to coordinate with the sewing machine and adjust the pin sights, the linear speed of the conveyor can be adjusted to keep synchronization. The sewing machine's head is equipped with microcomputer, which can realize the functions of pneumatic thread cutting, automatic oil supply and lubrication, etc. Sewing head and conveyor height are adjustable. It is suitable for different sizes of bags. Use food-grade conveyor belt and meet hygiene standards.